Full mouth dental implant procedures start with Imagine Your Smile in Woodbury, Minnesota. Hi, my name is Dr. Mark Wilhelm. I've been a prosthodontic specialist for 34 years, providing advanced, comprehensive tooth replacement options for people in real need of a new smile. Are you missing teeth? Do you suffer from repeated tooth pain? Or are you simply embarrassed to smile? If so, then you're just like many people that visit Imagine Your Smile right here in Woodbury, Minnesota. Many clients come to our office seeking information on how they can get a new smile. If your teeth are not savable, you have a few options to replace them. If you're not interested in wearing teeth that you remove at night, then consider full mouth dental implants. Perhaps you've seen about it or seen it on TV. We begin with records appointment and thoroughly go over the entire process, and then painlessly obtain digital records and fabricate everything we need to create your new smile. When you return for your procedure, you'll be sedated and comfortable while we transform your mouth into the groundwork for a beautiful new smile.